What's up guys, it's me Jimmy. So it's raining here. I bought the LAMA. As you can see outside quite raining. So and plus there's no electricity due to typhoon. The generator is blown up. So I'm going to do the review for this rain cover for the bag. Okay, I bought it from Amazon. This is the M side. I'm going to put on my 25-liter bag. Here we go. Okay, let me just then I bring it down here. There's a bad smell because I just opened from the steel packaging. So for 25L, even M seems quite big, but at the end of it it's good, so it's more from cover. Plus, okay. Plus, can you see this? This one I can close from inside as I want, like this. Let me just wear it. How am I looking? Can you see me or not? Okay, let me just bring up the camera. Okay. Okay, yeah, like this. Can you see me or not? How I'm looking? So yeah, so you see me, seems quite good. So yeah, it was me, Jimmy. Subscribe and bye.
Bye.